what we came here to do. So do what we do. Go out here and play your heart out. Let's get this here win and out the business. Y'all understand me? Yeah. Let's do it. Lands on 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's work. Let's go. Lands on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's be great. Let's be great. If you ain't got that self-motivation, you ain't motivated just off being out here in general, there's something wrong with you. There's something wrong with you. We gotta go out here, lay it all on the line. Go out here, bust your name out. Just because God gave us this opportunity, let's make the best of it. Let's go! Let's go! LB's on 3, 1, 2, 3. LB. Let's work. Yeah. These boys ain't got nothing for you. Clamp them up.
I got a lot for them.
Clamp them up. Keep on making that Pro Bowl season look good. Yeah. Keep on making it look good.
Let's get it, fella.
Oh yeah. Great day for some football. Great day for some football. It's a great day for some football, baby.
Hey, let's go get it.
Let's work. Let's work. Let's be great today, man.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Defense up. Hey, come on, bow up.
Let's bring the sticks.
Hey.
Trubisky lost the ball. He came out of there with it, and the Lions have it. Coming back the other way, DJ Hayden left side. 5, end zone, touchdown, Detroit Lions. How about that? Trubisky lost the ball coming out from under center. It squirted around. DJ Hayden picked it up and angled his way to the house.
Boom!
That's the way to run the ball, baby. That's the way to run. Oh, single flush.
Matthew turns, wants to throw, fakes the end around, loads, throws, caught. It is Galladay left side, Bear territory inside the 40. Rolls right, sets, goes, got a man wide open inside the 5, into the end zone. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. Marvin Jones, 28 yards.
Nice. That's the way to get it. Nice job.
Matthew leans in from the 2. He's got it. Pressure comes. Stafford throws right side. Man wide open. Touchdown, Detroit Lions. Amir Abdullah.
You almost saw me in half down here. On that top. I said, oh.
Hey, you know I'm flying, baby.
I said I was flying now.
I'm flying now. Come on, let's go get this thing back. Let's go. One play at a time. Hey, gang tackle.
I appreciate you, bro, for that.
Bow up. We gotta want it more than they do. We gotta want it more.
Let's go. Hey.
I'll force it. You fall inside of me. So once you realize it's past, just drift back in.
There's the snap by Muehlbach. Spot kick away is up, and it is good.
Hey, we're going to have to close it out. We about to get points. You're ready for 2 minutes.
This is a 52-yard field goal attempt to give the Lions the lead. Prater's ready. Muehlbach with the snap. There it is. Spot down. Kick away. It is up, and it is good. He got it. Just got it over. Matt Prater from 52 in tough conditions knocks it through. He's got the football. Lions send 5. Trubisky gonna get hit. Gonna get sacked. Back inside the 40-yard line by Jeremiah Ledbetter. Trying to tie this game. Here we go. There's the snap, spot, kick away. It is up, and it is no good. He missed it. He pushed it to the right, and the Lions survive. And we're walking out of here with their 3rd straight victory.